Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Devomon token. Ticker symbol is EVO, EVO. Now this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, it says Devomon is a premier anime-inspired brand built using blockchain technology to offer gamers the ability to own their in-game assets. Offering seamless integration of Web3 elements, Devomon will act as a bridge between the Web2 and Web3 worlds. Devomon has already earned a top spot in the Race of Glory contest hosted by a renowned GameFi gaming platform. It will initially consist of a AAA massive multiplayer online role-playing game, Callisto. Then further down the line, there will be a metaverse, NFT land plots, and much more. Also in the future, there are plans for its own series, comic, and merchandise. It will be an entire brand for gamers to immerse themselves in. Now, ticker symbol EVO, there is a total supply of 4 billion tokens, a max supply. This is on the Binance Smart Chain. It is a BEP20 token. So you could find this on BSC scan. Now, basically how the token is distributed here, we got 14.27% going to seed sale, 10% to private sale, 1.56% to KOLs, 4.7% to, or 4.17% to public sale, 10% team, 18% staking, 15% treasury, 20% liquidity, and 3% goes to advisors. Now, this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. Now, you can probably get this token in a decentralized way as well. As of right now, probably not. I'm just looking at their BSC scan. It says they only have 17 holders so far. So this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange called Gate. So you will be able to get this token off of Gate. And the exact listing date is somewhere on here. Trading time opens January 23rd at 12 o'clock UTC time. So all you'd have to do is download Gate from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and search EVO, and then simply just buy the token. Now, you also will be able to eventually get this token off PancakeSwap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the Devomon token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, devomon.io. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, but we will go over that. Now, they do have a full white paper you can find on their webpage, devomon.io. You can also find information about staking, team members, news articles, governance, D-World, NFTs, dashboard, Evoverse. You can get in touch with them if you want. Basically, within the entire project here, they have, well, you can check out the story. They go through, we're not going to go through the whole story. But basically, it says, unleash the power of anime on the blockchain, embark on an extraordinary journey through the captivating world, brimming with enigmatic creatures eagerly anticipating your arrival. Experience the pinnacle of entertainment with cutting-edge AAA smartphone games, captivating comics, exclusive merchandise, and beyond, all crafted with revolutionary Web3 technology. Immerse yourself in groundbreaking fusion of anime and blockchain like you've never seen before. Now, within the ecosystem, there's GameFi, there's the Evo Zone, there's NFTs, there's a dashboard, Evoverse, manga, anime, merchandise, news, and click on their white paper. It'll take you over to docsend.com where you can find a 28-page white paper. So it says, Devo aims to tap into the 100 million strong anime community. Now, they talk about the Devomon Callisto game, and they go through the gameplay of that, game features, the reward system, rewards distribution. Now, you can check out the Evomon. So there's all sorts of different Evomon, or their main characters that inhabit Callisto, different shapes, sizes, and abilities, and then these will come in the form of NFTs. You'll be able to acquire them on the marketplace here. In addition to the marketplace NFTs, they can be acquired via grinding, airdrop prizes, the Devomon staking platform, and a mystery box prize. So there's like fire, dark, earth, holy, water, air, and then there's all sorts of different rarities: common, rare, super rare, epic, legendary, godly. So they use the Unreal Engine 5. It says Web3, there's governance, NFTs, artificial intelligence. Now, let's go down to their roadmap here. So you can learn all about how to stake the tokens as well if you want to get more tokens. Now, the roadmap starts with Phase 1, launch, test flight with 1,000 MAU, game optimization, expanding the community and social presence. Then we got PC and mobile crossplay, limited edition ROI NFT presale, game nights and community events, Callisto mobile app alpha version with NFTs and in-game reward integration, staking preview. Then we got marketing, partnerships, initiatives, in-game events and collabs, IDO and TGE, exchange listings, online manga series, Callisto mobile app beta version, dashboard, blockchain integration, expand online shop, anime community onboarding, Callisto mobile app, complete game, metaverse introduction, monster battle royale teaser, console game, land sale, and then artificial intelligence integration. Now go check this token out. It's being listed on Gate very soon. You can find some new listing announcements on this Twitter here that's right on the screen. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out the referral codes, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.